In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up floating vertices in Blender, fix loose geometry, and close simple holes, so your mesh is much cleaner and easier to work with. If you've ever imported a model, merged objects, or just noticed random leftover vertices and open edges, this quick cleanup workflow can save you a lot of time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Blender tips and tutorials. Let's jump in. First, select the object you want to clean up. This can be any mesh that has floating vertices, loose edges, or small holes. Once your object is selected, press Tab to enter Edit Mode. Edit Mode is where you can directly edit the geometry of your mesh. Now press A to select everything in the model. Selecting All ensures that Blender checks the entire mesh, not just one section. After that, press M and choose by distance. This is an important first cleanup step because it removes overlapping vertices that are sitting too close together. If your model was imported or edited heavily, this can help merge duplicate points and reduce messy geometry. Next, go to the top menu bar, click Mesh, then Cleanup, and choose Delete Loose. This option is very useful because it removes floating vertices and edges that are not connected to the main structure of your mesh. These loose pieces often appear after modeling, importing, or separating geometry, and deleting them can instantly make the model cleaner. At this point, take a moment to inspect your mesh, rotate around it, and look for any open areas, broken sections, or edges that need to be connected. If you find a simple hole with clear boundary edges, you can close it manually. Select the open edges around the hole, then press F. Blender will create a face and fill that opening. This is best for small, simple holes, where one face is enough to patch the gap. If the hole is larger and you want a cleaner result, use Grid Fill instead. To do that, select the edge loop around the opening, then press Ctrl+F and choose Grid Fill. Grid Fill is a great option when you want better topology, especially on larger holes where a single face would create an ugly n-gon. It builds a more organized face structure and helps keep your mesh cleaner for smoothing, subdivision, or further editing. As you work through these cleanup steps, keep in mind that the goal is not just to remove floating vertices, but to make your model more stable and easier to edit later. Clean geometry can help prevent shading issues, modifier problems, and errors when you're preparing a model for rendering, sculpting, or exporting. So to quickly recap, select your object, go into Edit Mode, select All, merge by distance, use Delete Loose to remove floating geometry, then fill simple holes with F, and use Grid Fill for larger openings. Following this workflow will help you fix loose geometry and holes in just a few minutes. If this Blender tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more practical Blender guides, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.